Hey there, SUV enthusiasts. Today we're diving into the 10 SUVs you need to dump before the warranty expires. Let's jump right in. Number 10. Jeep Grand Cherokee. First up is the Jeep Grand Cherokee. It's marketed as a blend of luxury and ruggedness, capable both on and off the road. However, these models have faced significant reliability issues. Consumer Reports list problems with the transmission, electrical systems, and even the 4WD components. Transmission repairs can cost over $3,500, often needed around 70,000 miles. Depreciation is about 51% over 5 years, so your $35,000 Grand Cherokee could drop to $17,150. Owners have shared alarming stories of sudden stalling and gear shifting problems. One owner recounted a scary instance of the vehicle switching to neutral on the highway. The Grand Cherokee's blend of luxury and off-road capability is overshadowed by serious reliability concerns. It's wise to part ways before the warranty expires to avoid costly and potentially dangerous issues. Number 9. Land Rover Range Rover Evoque. Next is the Land Rover Range Rover Evoque. It's stylish, compact, and exudes luxury, perfect for those wanting high-end features in a smaller SUV. But luxury isn't synonymous with reliability here. J.D. Power gives it below-average reliability scores. Common issues include transmission faults, electrical glitches, and engine problems occurring as early as 50,000 miles. Repair costs can exceed $4,000. Depreciation is hefty, about 55% over 5 years, so your $42,000 Evoque might only fetch $18,900. Owners have reported frequent visits to the shop for unresolved issues. One driver mentioned the infotainment system freezing regularly, making navigation and controls inaccessible. The Evoque's glamour doesn't outweigh its reliability concerns and high depreciation. Selling before the warranty lapses could save you from substantial future costs. Number 8. Ford Explorer. At number 8, we revisit the Ford Explorer. While it's a popular SUV with modern features and a spacious interior, it hasn't been without issues. Consumer Reports highlights concerns with the transmission, climate system, and electronics. Transmission repairs can cost upwards of $3,000, often needed around 75,000 miles. Depreciation hits around 48% over 5 years, turning a $33,000 Explorer into about $17,160. Owners have experienced problems like cracked exhaust manifolds, leading to exhaust fumes entering the cabin, a serious health hazard. One family reported recurring sensor failures that affected vehicle performance. The Explorer's appeal is diminished by mechanical and safety issues. Consider selling before warranty coverage ends to avoid costly repairs. Number 7. Dodge Journey. Sliding into number 7 is the Dodge Journey. It's marketed as an affordable, versatile SUV with third-row seating. But affordability comes at a price. Consumer Reports frequently ranks it low in reliability due to engine problems and brake issues. Problems often surface before 50,000 miles, with repair costs adding up quickly. Depreciation is steep, around 60% over 5 years. So your $24,000 Journey might only be worth $9,600 later on. Owners have reported electrical system failures and air conditioning problems. One owner described multiple instances of the car stalling unexpectedly, leading to safety concerns. The Journey's low price doesn't offset its reliability woes. Selling before the warranty expires is a smart move to avoid further headaches. Number 6. Nissan Pathfinder. Halfway through our list is the Nissan Pathfinder. It's known for its spacious seating and smooth ride. However, these model years have been plagued by transmission problems. The continuously variable transmission has a history of failures around 60,000 miles, with replacement costs over $3,500. Depreciation is about 50% over 5 years, turning a $32,000 vehicle into $16,000. Owners have shared stories of sudden loss of acceleration and shuddering at highway speeds. One family recounted a failed transmission during a vacation, resulting in an expensive tow and repair. The Pathfinder's comforts are overshadowed by notorious transmission issues. Offloading it before warranty expiration could save you from costly repairs. Number 5. Jeep Renegade. At number 5 is the Jeep Renegade. It's got a funky design and promises off-road capability in a compact package. But the Renegade has stumbled in reliability. Consumer Reports gives low marks due to issues with the transmission and electrical systems. Problems can start as early as 40,000 miles, with repair costs averaging $1,200 for transmission fixes. Depreciation is around 45% over 5 years. So a $25,000 Renegade could drop to $13,750. Owners have reported troubles with the infotainment system and frequent warning lights. One owner shared frustrations over a transmission that would jerk unpredictably. The Renegade's quirky appeal doesn't compensate for its reliability issues. Selling before the warranty ends might save you from future frustrations and expenses. Number 4. Chevrolet Traverse. Coming in at number 4 is the Chevrolet Traverse. It offers plenty of space and a smooth ride, making it a solid family SUV on paper. However, these models have faced reliability challenges. JD Power ratings indicate average to below average reliability. Common issues include engine failure and timing chain problems starting around 85,000 miles. Fixing these can cost more than $3,000. Depreciation is about 57% over 5 years, so your $34,000 Traverse might be worth just $14,620 when you're ready to sell. Owners have reported steering problems and airbag sensor failures, with one driver mentioning multiple replacements of the power steering pump. The Traverse may seem practical, but potential costly repairs and depreciation suggest it's wise to part ways before the warranty expires. Number 3. GMC Acadia. At number 3, we have the GMC Acadia. Known for its spacious interior and family-friendly features, it's a popular choice for larger households. But reliability isn't its strong suit. Consumer Reports give several of these model years low reliability scores, citing issues with the transmission and air conditioning system. Transmission failures can occur around 80,000 miles, with repair costs upwards of $3,500. Depreciation is significant, about 60% over 5 years. That means your $35,000 Acadia could drop to around $14,000. Owners have shared experiences with power steering failures and water leaks leading to electrical problems. One family reported their Acadia shutting off while driving, a dangerous defect. The Acadia's family appeal is overshadowed by mechanical issues and steep depreciation. Consider selling before you're left with costly repairs post-warranty. Number 2. Volkswagen Tiguan. Our runner-up is the Volkswagen Tiguan. It's a compact SUV with European styling and a comfortable ride, making it an attractive choice for urban drivers. However, the Tiguan has had its share of issues. Consumer Reports often rates its reliability below average, especially for older models. Common problems include engine troubles and timing chain failures, which can occur around 60,000 miles. Repairs for these issues can exceed $2,000. Depreciation hovers around 50% over 5 years. So your $30,000 Tiguan might only fetch $15,000 when you decide to sell. Owners have reported frequent check engine lights and turbocharger failures. One driver shared a tale of the engine stalling unexpectedly in traffic, a scary and dangerous situation. The Tiguan's charm fades when you factor in potential engine problems and depreciation. Selling before the warranty expires could save you from unexpected breakdowns and expenses. Number 1. BMW X5. Topping our list is the BMW X5. At first glance, it's got that sleek German engineering, luxurious interiors, responsive handling, and a badge that turns heads. But beneath the prestige lies some concerns. Consumer Reports has noted below-average reliability for certain model years, particularly with the engine and electrical systems. Repair costs for these can be eye-watering. For instance, fixing an oil leak or replacing a faulty fuel pump can set you back $1,500 to $2,000. Electrical issues like malfunctioning iDrive systems may cost around $1,200. Depreciation is another factor. The X5 tends to lose about 55% of its value over 5 years. So that $60,000 investment might dwindle to $27,000, a significant drop. Owners have shared stories of repeated visits to the dealership for issues that seem minor but add up in costs. One owner mentioned constant battery drains that left them stranded on multiple occasions. Issues and steep depreciation suggest selling before the warranty runs out. Better to enjoy it while it's covered than to face costly repairs later. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tips and reviews. Have any experiences with these SUVs? Drop your stories in the comments below. Thanks for watching.